Welcome to another insightful episode where we help you turn your financial life around. Today, we're diving into the intricacies of credit cards. It's a tool that can build your credit or pile up your debt pile. It all depends on how you wield it. So, stay tuned as we uncover smart spending, how to use a credit card without accumulating debt. Credit cards. Just two words, but a world of finances in them. Let's first understand what a credit card really is, how it works, its pros and cons. Only then can we move on to using it smartly and without piling up debt. A credit card is not free money, far from it. How do we then avoid this credit card pitfall? Simple. It's all about smart spending. Spend within your means, pay your card balance on time, every time, keep your credit utilization low, and make full use of your credit card's rewards program. So, that's a wrap on the episode Smart Spending, how to use a credit card without accumulating debt. Remember, a credit card is a double-edged sword. If used wisely, it can be a powerful financial tool. If not, it can quickly turn into a debt trap.